You guys, I am standing outside of Bloodrush, Forest of Terror. We are all the way in Elkhorn, Nebraska, just outside of Omaha. We heard that this is one of the craziest trails out here in the Midwest. We're gonna take you inside with us, so without further ado, let's go get some scares.
I knocked. Okay. I don't know what in distress. Creepy. What is over there?
Seems to be in distress.
Oh God, double tap.
Oh my.
That was good. Ooh, she's even playing the piano.
She seems agitated.
Playing the piano.
Oh my, what's going on?
Oh.
That ain't right.
No, not at all.
Oh, what is that? Oh, I don't like it. What are you? Why are you down there like that? Oh, God. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, God, there's two in there. Ay, ay, ay.
This seems... Oh God.
You're camera.
Oh God, time to go.
Oh,
Why do
hell
we have to
no.
go that way?
Shoot balls.
Gotta
Marco!
come back to him. Oh God! Oh God! Easy! Oh God!
Oh God, what
Oh
is
God!
that?
Time to go this way!
Oh, Tyler!
He's behind you!
He's behind.
It's so dark.
Well, that's creepy behind us.
Right?
Oh my God. Is it still back there?
He's still back here.
He's still back
Still
there.
back
Yeah.
here.
No,
Oh,
no.
God.
Is it still back there?
Yes.
Yes, it's still
in
back there.
Where did you take us, Nora?
I don't freaking know. Oh my God.
Some kind of church?
Oh. Crap. Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh, there's-
The devil has risen!
No.
we're gonna burn.
Protesting.
Oh God, she came down.
Nope. 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 Not burning. Burning.
Okay, okay, okay.
Oh
Oh
my.
crap. Oh crap. In the Okay, okay, fine. Whatever that means. Hi. Yeah, take. Oh, yeah, thank you. What in the world? Oh no, it's dark. Oh shoot. What is on your mouth?
He was just eating it.
That way.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! What the heck is going on? He's behind us now. He's got a lot of teeth. Oh God! He's got like sharp teeth. Oh God! Oh my!
Why is he wet?
Oh, he's got the slime. Oh God!
Something was in there somewhere.
I don't know where to go.
No, not it. We are not food. Not food. Not food.
Oh, he's behind me.
What's behind
It's
you?
the guy. Oh God!
Oh,
Is it the tooth guy?
Tooth guy.
Ooh,
wow.
that thing is freaking scary. Oh, you go, you stay there. Oh my. Somebody.
They made a mess.
has somebody here.
Come on! You know you want to try some?
I don't think I
Come on now!
Is it vegan?
You know you want to try it?
No,
It's just for you!
it's not vegan.
It's not vegan, no.
No, it's not. It's probably Megan though.
Megan, yeah.
It's
Negan, not
boneyard.
vegan.
Yeah.
That music is creepy.
I think that one's alive.
What are you doing? Eating my plate!
This is our barrels,
No, this
actually.
is my barrel!
We saw them first.
What? No!
Yes.
This is my home!
No, No,
Oh.
well,
Yes.
we'll see about
This
that.
is my home.
Beautiful.
No. What are you doing here? It's my home.
We had to find us some barrels.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Yes.
I call this my barrel.
What is that? What is that horrible noise over there?
Something big's going on.
God.
And I got a feeling you're leading us right into it.
I don't like it.
See, everything's legit. They got their dot numbers.
Whatever.
Everything's perfectly above board.
It's legal.
Don't touch the poison.
No!
I don't think I
What do you need
can.
help with? It ain't got no gas in it.
Something wrong with it for quite a while. I just don't know.
It ain't got no gas in it.
It ain't got no gas in it.
Get over here.
I'm going this way. That is not a. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Oh.
No, no, you can have that. That's okay.
Have what?
Oh, this guy seems
Oh, crap.
distraught.
Big Piggy's barbecue? Oh my, he just threw a tire.
Oh,
I don't. Oh.
oh my, what the heck's happening? No, they're gonna try to eat us. They're gonna try to eat us.
Yeah, I did it. We're going.
Easy.
You be careful.
He seems really agitated.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's something. Oh boy.
Oh, they're coming after us. Special menu.
Wow. They are very. No. They're very proud of me.
You gotta go in the ladies' bathroom. You gotta go in the men's room. I can't have y'all in the same bathroom now.
Oh, we
Okay,
gotta go this way.
Take
Okay,
your
all right.
place now.
We gotta go in the men's.
Gotta go in the men's room.
Oh, we gotta go this
I'll
way.
go to the men's.
Oh, glad we got a chainsaw guy
Yeah.
escorting us to the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
That's very nice of him. He seems like a stand-up guy.
A stand-up guy, yeah.
Okay, that was literally just 3 reviewers running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers, Zoomies.
Oh, meat curtains.
Meat curtains.
Uh-oh, I don't like it, guys. We're gonna go towards
know
the
where
light,
to go.
unfortunately.
Don't know which way to go.
Now we're in a cemetery out in the middle of the woods, and there's something over there.
Oh, good God.
Okay. Oh, what's that? I don't think
She
she's
thinks it's
okay.
funny. She thinks it's funny.
Woo!
Oh, God. Yep.
What is that?
I don't know, but he looks happy to see us.
Yeah. Nuh-uh. We know nothing.
Got me real excited.
Oh, my.
Oh, we're excited.
Easy.
Y'all got me real happy.
For what?
Real happy. You got me crazy happy.
No.
Ain't never heard nobody did it. All this can do is put down a ball. Yeah, I can put down a ball with this. Don't you want to end up in one of these cattle cages?
No.
Cattle cages? Aha.
If you weren't chasing us around trying to kill us.
Yeah, I can take all that.
Okay, following the red light. Okay, follow. I don't want to follow the taser.
Against our better judgment.
Little cattle prone never hurt nobody.
No, it didn't. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's see. Okay, what happens?
We got an official
excited.
horn bonus.
Let's go.
They're,
All my friends are waiting.
That's good.
Okay.
She has friends.
What
out
about
there.
your friends? What about the friends, though?
Nope, nope, nope. Going this way.
That doesn't look like a friend. Uh-oh.
The
that's why
butcher?
it's so
Oh, God.
Great.
What they say?
The music intensifies. It's okay.
I need to kill you, Mama.
You did well.
Oh,
Play certain
that's
games, you
bad.
win certain prizes.
I do. Oh God, I don't like this part. I still don't see a bus. Jesus. Oh.
She's excited. Oh, God.
Oh my! But there's something on the bus. That doesn't look safe. Oh crap. Well, it's completely sideways. Oh
He's gone.
crap!
Where'd
There's
he
something
go?
in there because I hear it.
Jimmy.
Jimmy?
Jimmy? Jimmy?
Oh, Jimmy.
No biting, Jimmy. No
Nope.
biting. Oh, that thing is touching me. Oh hell.
You're not in your assigned seat, mister.
This bus is so sideways. Oh my God.
Please return to your assigned seat.
Oh my God.
Get me off this bus.
Oh, my. Holy cow.
That was very sideways. Oh my. They're still going. Uh-oh. We're going up, guys.
Going up?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh crap. Oh God.
What is...
I don't know.
Where are you taking us?
I do not know. But the sketch level's pretty high, Tyler.
Yeah, I can't say I've ever been on a bridge surrounded in Mattress Springs.
Oh my.
So
Here
we're
we
going
are
down Cattle Gates.
in the woods of Iowa again.
We're in Omaha.
Okay. Nebraska.
We're not
Don't
in Iowa.
ask me where we are.
We're close to Iowa.
Okay.
Close.
Okay.
And they've hit that repeatedly. Oh,
Just
yeah.
like that right there. Okay. Like you think that was the one?
That's the
hitting
guy
me?
that's doing it.
Yep.
Where'd he go?
I don't know.
Well, we're probably gonna figure that out.
Oh. Leaves scared me.
He scared me too.
I was like, what the hell is that?
It's just fell on me.
Oh my God.
It's nature.
Touch the grass. No. Ah.
What the hell?
I saw the hand go back in there.
That one got me good. Oh my God. The language of the woods. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. That's screaming on this side.
Oh God, he's wired.
They've written stuff all over the place.
He's got a cool little collection here.
I have no idea what it says. Do shall or something.
You shall, thou
You shall. Thou shall. Thou
burn in
shall.
hell, no coming back.
Okay.
Oh,
Lots of yelling.
God.
Are you okay? Yeah.
Wow.
We'll be back.
Holy crap.
Nice seeing you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Yeah.
Oh God.
I love that guy. Uh-oh, she's got a bone. Big old bone.
She's got a bone to pick with somebody.
What is that? It's a big clown. And now that's creepy. It just laughed.
It did just laugh.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Help. Nope. Shoot. Never trust a clown.
Why?
Do we live?
No. Why would you?
Then we don't want to play.
We're gonna play a game.
Ooh.
Oh, he's leaking.
We're gonna play a lot of games.
A lot? Okay. All right.
What's wrong with playing a game?
Because we don't like to
We're
die.
gonna die together.
No.
Oh God.
Yes, we are.
So everybody wins, right? No.
Oh my God.
No God.
Look, it's a Ferris wheel. Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
Step on up. Step on up. Welcome to Carnival. We're gonna have a good time. It's on up.
Oh.
Hey, boy, girls, you ready?
Yeah.
There is no big
Wow.
right now. You're in my territory now. We have
Okay.
back together.
I follow you. Bye, Tyler.
Which tunnel? Which tunnel?
Oscar bless that tunnel.
That tunnel? Okay. I'm gonna go this one. Okay.
Okay.
Oh my. Wow. Where did they go? No, they didn't.
It's an ace. It's an ace.
This is freaking
You
cool.
found her.
Nuh-uh. I came from that way.
You don't know that. I'm sticking with you.
I'm going this way. I got a ticket.
He won it all, and I did, yeah.
Ticket.
I
Oh.
win this round, but I'll see you in a round next.
Okay.
Hold on. Hold on.
Bye, Rip Clown. Dallas. Woo. Caw-caw.
Why are we trying to escape people over here? We're trying to have a good time here at Carnival. This is all of this, all here on the walls and everywhere you see. Is portraits of the clowns that used to be here. And
Oh.
trust me, you don't want to be one of those clowns. Come on now.
Nope,
You
nope.
just gonna step over.
Why do I feel like we're in a clown's butthole?
Tyler. I don't know. Because this is like never ending, that's why.
Holy cow.
Oh my god. Holy crap. We knew we would see you again.
This time, follow me.
You tried to get us lost last time.
No.
He's waiting on us. Oh my.
That way? Nuh-uh.
It's just a trick, I promise.
It's just a trick?
There's a door right there.
There is a door and it's not a door.
It's not a door.
Oh
no.
crap. Oh crap. Oh my god, there's two of them.
There's two of them.
There's one with the horn over there. There's a lot of stuff in these woods
There is
that
a
you
lot.
would not expect.
Right?
Holy crap.
It just keeps going and
And
going.
going and going and going.
Yes.
I think you have a friend.
Oh
Oh,
no.
great.
It's the Rip Clown. We do.
Trust it.
We don't trust clowns.
It's like rule number 3.
It's rule number 1, actually.